Sending money to loved ones across the globe has never been this simple, thanks to Remitly. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to the Remitly website or download their app. You'll need to create an account, click on Sign Up, and follow the prompts. They'll ask for basic information like your email, a password, and your phone number for verification. You might need to provide a government-issued ID, a circumflex euros. Keep that handy. Ready to send? On the main dashboard, you'll see a prominent Send Money button. Click that. Now, tell us where your money is headed. Select the country your recipient is in from the drop-down menu. Then, enter the amount you wish to send in your currency. Remitly will immediately show you the exchange rate and fees, so you know exactly what your recipient will receive. Next, we need your recipient's details. If you're sending to a bank account, you'll need their full name, bank name, account number, and routing number. If they'll be picking up cash, you'll need their full name as it appears on their ID, and the pickup location. Rest assured, Remitly uses robust security measures to keep your transaction safe. Now, for the payment, Remitly offers flexible payment methods. You can typically use your debit card, credit card, or link your bank account. Directly select the option that works best for you and enter the required payment information. Double-check all the details you've entered for both the recipient and your payment method. Before you finalize, Remitly will present a clear summary of your transfer. Review the amount, recipient details, fees, and the total cost. Once you're happy, hit that Send Money button and you're all set. And that's it. Your money is on its way. Remitly will send you and your recipient notifications throughout the process. You can track your transfer's progress directly through the app or website. Sending money internationally with Remitly is truly just a few clicks away.